Hey everyone! If you are currently using the WhatsApp CRM Chrome extension, here's an important update. For the last 2 days, many users, including resellers, have faced issues with the extension not working properly. It just gets stuck on the loading page. And it seems like this issue is affecting everyone who's using or selling this CRM. Our developers are actively working on a fix, but unfortunately, there is no estimated time for when this will be resolved. I know it can be frustrating, especially when these issues seem every month. So, please be patient as we wait for the update. Once I get new update news, I'll be share with everyone. But now, we've got even more exciting news for you. We are launching our brand new CRM, VABA CRM. It's packed with the most advanced features and, best of all, it's rock solid in terms of stability. I've been using VABA CRM for the past 2 months, and trust me, it has been flawless. No issues at all. It's fast, smooth, and highly reliable. I'm confident it will work seamlessly without the need for constant updates. If you are interested, I'm offering a free trial of VABA CRM. This product comes with lots of extra features and a stable version. For existing resellers, I'm offering a 50% discount on VABA CRM. New users can contact us for pricing and a free trial as well. So if you want a CRM that actually works, without the constant headaches, VABA CRM a try today. Contact me for more details and enjoy a smooth experience. Thank you for your time, and I'll keep you updated with more news soon.